Hello all, my name is Pawan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see how to segregate the data in MS Excel. So before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all the updates related to my YouTube channel. So let's get into this. So this is the topic which we are going to discuss today, how to segregate the data in MS Excel file. Okay, so let's see. So this is the MS Excel file which we are going to perform the operation, like how to segregate the data. So here you can see the column consisting of name and ID. So let's make it with an yellow color here. Okay, so here left side you can see the name and the right side you can see the ID. Let's change this name as something like state. Let's mention it as a state, and left side it will be mentioned as a state and right side it will be mentioned as ID. Okay, so here our task is to segregate the data, like we have to segregate the data in such a way, like we have to mention here we have renamed it as a state, so let's mention it as a state. Okay, so here our task is to segregate the data, whatever the data is having, like left side, like A, B, A, Z, C, A, L, S, K, A, L, S, C, A, M, A, like that. Okay, so like A, B, and whatever the thing which is there in right side, like ID, which is 1444. Let's mention as 1444, like that. If we want to segregate the data for all the rows, and doing it line by line is a tedious task and it's very time consuming. So here I am going to show you one simple operation, like where you can segregate the data, whatever the data is in left side and whatever the data is in right side, so that we can do it this operation in a very simple way, so that we can save our time and perform the operation in a very simple way. Okay, so let's segregate the data, whatever there in the left side and whatever there in the right side, to two different columns. Okay, so press equal to and press left and type left and open the bracket. So click on that particular cell and press comma, and here on the left side you can see for each state, like there's a code which has two letters, like A, B, A, Z, C, A, L, S. Okay, so here we'll mention as 2 and we'll close the bracket and press enter. So now you can see whatever is there on the left side, it's here it will be mentioned as AB, and let's also do it for the right side. Press equal to and type right, open the bracket and click on that particular cell, press comma, and whatever the number of characters are there in the right side, so we have 4 characters on the right side, so mention as 4 and close the bracket, so and press enter. So now we can see the data is segregated, whatever the data is in the left side and whatever the data is in the right side. So we'll select both the columns and we'll just drag it till the number of rows where we want all the data to be segregated. So now you can see all the data has been segregated, whatever there in the left side and whatever there in the right side. So from one column we have made it to 2 different columns. Okay, so after this, like select all and copy it and click on paste special, click on values and press OK, press escape, and now you can see whatever the data is there in the left side and whatever there in the right side, it will be made into 2 different. Okay, so that's all about this particular video. Hope you like this particular video, and please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.